Today I am reviewing the Waterpik Cordless Pulse 3100 Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to take your oral hygiene to the next level, you have likely heard about water flossing. Today we are doing a comprehensive, in-depth review of a major game-changer in dental care, the Waterpik Cordless Pulse 3100 Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser. Specifically, we are looking at the WF-20 white model, which is an Amazon exclusive. Whether you have braces, a history with gum issues, or you just absolutely hate traditional string flossing, this device promises to change the way you care for your teeth. Let's break down exactly what makes this specific model worth your time and investment. Right out of the box, the Waterpik Cordless Pulse 3100 catches your eye with its clean, minimalist aesthetic. The WF-20 white finish looks incredibly sleek and modern, fitting in perfectly with any bathroom decor. What you notice immediately when you pick it up is the ergonomics. Waterpik clearly put a lot of thought into the physical design here. It features a beautifully sculpted, non-slip hand grip. If you have ever used older or cheaper portable water flossers, you know they can feel bulky, heavy, or slippery when wet. The Pulse 3100 feels remarkably secure and balanced in the hand. Included in the package, you get the Cordless Pulse 3100 unit itself, 2 classic flossing tips, which is perfect if you want to back up or want to share the unit with a partner, and a USB charging cable. Note that it does not include a wall brick adapter, which is standard for electronics nowadays, but it plugs into any standard USB port or phone charger you already have lying around. Now, let's talk about the actual performance, because that is where this machine truly shines. The Cordless Pulse 3100 utilizes what Waterpik calls PrecisionPulse technology. This isn't just a steady stream of water. It delivers a precise combination of water pressure and rhythmic pulsations. Clinically, this technology is proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas. If you struggle with bad breath, cavities, or early signs of gingivitis, this deep cleaning action gets into the microscopic pockets between your teeth and below the gum line where traditional brushing and string floss simply cannot reach. The device features 2 distinct settings, low and high. The low setting is absolutely fantastic if you have sensitive teeth, tender gums, or if you are completely new to water flossing and need to get used to the sensation. The high setting delivers a robust, deep clean that feels incredibly satisfying, blasting away stubborn food particles and debris. It is also equipped with a 6-ounce removable reservoir. 6 ounces gives you roughly 45 seconds of continuous flossing time. While that might mean you need to refill it once during an incredibly thorough session, the reservoir is incredibly easy to pop off and refill. Even better, it is top-rack dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze and preventing any gross buildup over time. One of the biggest selling points of the Pulse 3100 is its versatility. First and foremost, it is completely waterproof. There's a lot of confusion out there about which electronics can go into the bathroom stall, but Waterpik explicitly states that this unit has no warning labels against shower use. It is fully sealed and ready for your morning shower routine. If you're someone who tends to make a bit of a splashy mess at the sink while water flossing, being able to take this right into the shower is a massive quality of life upgrade. For travelers, this device is a dream. Because it operates on a built-in lithium-ion battery, you don't have to worry about replacing clumsy AA batteries. It holds a charge beautifully, and it features a handy LED recharge indicator light on the front, so you will never be caught off guard by a dead battery right before bed. It operates quietly too, thanks to Waterpik's quiet flossing technology, meaning you won't wake up the whole house or hotel room during your nighttime routine. There are hundreds of knockoff water flossers on the market today, but the Pulse 3100 holds a major badge of honor. It is ADA accepted. The American Dental Association does not hand out its seal of acceptance lightly. It requires rigorous testing for safety and clinical effectiveness. Furthermore, Waterpik is the #1 water flosser brand recommended by dental professionals worldwide. To give you extra peace of mind, the product is backed by a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty. If anything goes wrong with the internal mechanics or the battery, you have access to Waterpik's dedicated support team based right out of Colorado to help you troubleshoot or get a replacement. To wrap it all up, the Waterpik Cordless Pulse 3100 is an exceptional investment in your health. It successfully bridges the gap between the raw power of a bulky, countertop dental unit and the sheer convenience of a portable, travel-friendly device. On the positive side, it has an ergonomic, non-slip grip that feels great to hold. It is completely waterproof for convenient shower use. It features PrecisionPulse technology that removes up to 99.9% of plaque, and it is ADA accepted and backed by a 2-year warranty. On the downside, the 6-ounce reservoir may require a quick refill for a very long flossing session, and it does not include a USB wall adapter brick. However, if you want healthier gums, cleaner teeth, a brighter smile, and that fresh, straight-from-the-dentist feeling every single day, the Waterpik Pulse 3100 Amazon exclusive is an absolute must-have. It is efficient, easy to use, and highly effective. Your smile will thank you.